Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix iPhone sound problem when calling. Calling without sound is frustrating, especially when you need it and the background is noisy, making it hard to hear the caller. And here are the effective steps to fix iPhone sound problems during calls. First is to increase the call volume using the volume up button during a call. Check the ring or silence switch on the side of your iPhone and make sure it's not on silent mode. Turn off Do Not Disturb via Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb, and disable it. Disable Bluetooth via Settings again, Bluetooth, and turn it off to avoid audio routing to another device. Clean the earpiece and speaker gently using a soft brush or dry cloth. Restart your phone. Next, check call audio routing via Settings again, Accessibility, Touch, call audio routing, and set it to automatic. Turn off phone noise cancellation via Settings again, Accessibility, Audio or Visual, and toggle it off. Test the speaker phone during a call to check if audio works there. Update iOS via Settings again, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Remove the phone case or screen protector if it blocks the speaker. Contact Apple support if sound still doesn't work, may be a hardware issue. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.